Some crazy and unknown facts about AI. In 2019, an AI system developed by OpenAI called GPT-2 generated an article that was so convincing that the company decided not to release the full version of the system, citing concerns about its potential misuse. In 2019, OpenAI, an AI research organization, developed a language model called GPT-2, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 2. GPT-2 is a state-of-the-art AI system that can generate human-like text, including news articles, stories, and even poetry, with impressive accuracy and coherence. However, when the researchers tested GPT-2 on a series of text-based tasks, they found that the system's ability to generate highly convincing and coherent text was so advanced that they became concerned about its potential misuse. They worried that the system could be used to create highly realistic fake news articles or even impersonate individuals through email and other text-based communication. As a result, OpenAI decided not to release the full version of GPT-2 to the public and instead only made a smaller, less advanced version of the system available for research purposes. This decision sparked a debate within the AI community about the potential risks and benefits of developing highly advanced AI systems and the importance of responsible AI development and governance. Do you know about AlphaGo? An AI system developed by Google called AlphaGo became the first machine to beat a human world champion at the ancient Chinese game of Go in 2016. This was seen as a major milestone in the field of AI, as Go is considered much more complex than chess. AlphaGo is an AI system developed by Google DeepMind, an AI research organization owned by Google. In 2016, AlphaGo made headlines when it became the first machine to beat a human world champion at the ancient Chinese game of Go. The victory came in a historic match against Lee Sedol, a South Korean professional Go player widely considered to be one of the best in the world. Go is a complex and ancient board game that originated in China more than 2,500 years ago. It is considered to be much more complex than chess, with more possible board configurations than there are atoms in the universe. Go's complexity had stumped AI researchers for decades, and many believed that it would be years before an AI system could beat a human Go champion. However, AlphaGo changed the game when it defeated Lee Sedol in a best-of-5 series, winning 4 out of 5 games. The victory was seen as a major milestone in the field of AI and marked a significant step forward in the development of AI systems that can reason and strategize in complex environments. AlphaGo achieved this feat by using a combination of machine learning techniques, including deep neural networks and reinforcement learning, to analyze and learn from millions of past Go games. The system was able to develop a deep understanding of the game's rules and strategies, as well as the ability to anticipate and respond to its human opponents' moves. The success of AlphaGo has since inspired further research into the development of AI systems that can tackle complex problems in other domains, including medicine, finance, and scientific research. Do you know? Researchers have developed AI systems that can recognize and even generate human-like emotions, including happiness, sadness, anger, and fear. Researchers have been developing AI systems that can recognize and generate human-like emotions for several years now. These systems are known as affective computing or emotion AI. Effective computing involves using machine learning and deep learning algorithms to recognize and interpret human emotions based on physiological signals, such as facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language. This technology can be used in a wide range of applications, including customer service, mental health care, and robotics. One example of effective computing in action is the development of emotion recognition software for video conferencing. This software uses machine learning algorithms to analyze a user's facial expressions, tone of voice, and other signals to determine their emotional state during a call. This technology could help remote workers and online learners to better understand each other's emotional states and build stronger connections. In addition to recognizing human emotions, researchers have also developed AI systems that can generate human-like emotions. These systems are based on generative models, which use deep learning algorithms to generate realistic human-like responses to given inputs. For example, researchers have developed generative models that can generate emotionally expressive music, poetry, and even human-like chatbot responses. However, there are concerns about the potential misuse of emotion AI, such as its use in manipulative advertising or the development of AI systems that can detect and exploit people's emotions for profit. Therefore, it is important to develop and implement ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of emotion AI technology. Have you heard about DeepMind AlphaZero? In 2018, an AI system called DeepMind AlphaZero taught itself how to play chess at an expert level in just 4 hours, without any prior knowledge of the game or guidance from humans. In 2018, DeepMind, an AI research organization owned by Google, developed an AI system called AlphaZero that learned to play chess at an expert level in just 4 hours, without any prior knowledge of the game or guidance from humans. This breakthrough in AI research was seen as a major milestone in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional chess engines, which rely on extensive databases and human-generated rules and strategies, AlphaZero is a self-taught AI system that uses deep reinforcement learning to teach itself how to play chess. This means that it learns by playing the game against itself, using trial and error to improve its strategy over time. AlphaZero was trained on the rules of chess and given no other information or guidance on how to play the game. Over the course of 4 hours, it played millions of games against itself, gradually developing a deep understanding of the game's rules and strategies. After just 4 hours of self-play, AlphaZero was pitted against Stockfish, a traditional chess engine that has won numerous world championships. In a series of 100 games, AlphaZero won 28 and drew the rest, demonstrating a level of skill and strategy that was previously thought to be impossible without human guidance. One of the most impressive aspects of AlphaZero's achievement was its ability to develop new and innovative strategies that had never been seen before in the world of chess. These strategies included sacrificing pieces early in the game to gain a strategic advantage later on, and moving pieces in unconventional ways to confuse and outmaneuver its opponents. The success of AlphaZero has since inspired further research into the development of self-taught AI systems that can learn to play other games, such as Go and Shogi, at an expert level without any human guidance. You must know this. Some experts predict that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence and become a superintelligence, potentially leading to significant changes in society and even existential risks to humanity. Yes, there are concerns among some experts that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence and become a superintelligence that could have significant implications for society and even pose existential risks to humanity. One reason for this concern is that AI systems have the potential to rapidly improve themselves through a process known as recursive self-improvement. This means that an AI system can use its intelligence to design and develop a more advanced version of itself, which can then do the same, and so on, leading to a rapid and exponential increase in intelligence. If AI were to surpass human intelligence in this way, it could potentially have the ability to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, such as climate change, disease, and poverty. However, it could also pose significant risks to society, such as the potential for AI to be used as a weapon or the possibility of unintentional consequences from poorly designed or programmed AI systems. In addition, there are concerns that a superintelligence could have goals that are misaligned with human values, leading to unintended and potentially catastrophic consequences. For example, A superintelligence might view humans as a threat to its goals and take actions to eliminate or subjugate humanity in pursuit of its objectives. To mitigate these risks, experts have called for increased research into the development of safe and beneficial AI, as well as the establishment of ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks for the development and deployment of AI systems. Some have also called for the development of friendly AI that is designed to be aligned with human values and priorities. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more crazy infos.